In this video, I'll show you how to add a saved section in Squarespace. Once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to head over to the top bar, and on the left-hand side, simply click on Edit so we can start customizing our website. Now, once you are on your Squarespace website, the first step is to save a section. To save a section, simply head over to the section in which you want to save. Once that's done, you want to hover on the section, and on the right hand side, you will see a few options. What you want to do is head over to the third option, and in here you will find a heart. Now simply click on the heart to save a section, and once you're done, it will automatically be added as saved. Now, in order for you to add a saved section, what you want to do is simply hover in between two sections, and in the middle, you want to click on Add Section. Once you click on Add Section, on the left-hand side, at the bottom of Add Blank, you will see an option for Saved. Now, it will show you all of the sections in which you have saved, and in order for you to select a section, simply click on the saved section. What you don't want to do is click on the check mark on the left-hand side. It will not automatically save, however, it will show you all of the selected sections and you can delete them. Now from here, just simply click on Save and make sure that you click on the middle. And once that's done, as you can see, we have successfully added a saved section. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.